to my YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and put like and comment. Please also share with your friends and family. Today I will be teaching you how I make my local cough medicine. Okay, this line. Okay, this is my honey. You can get it from the supermarket. You can buy it in the shop, and lime you can get it anywhere. Now I want to slice it. This is my bowl to scrub it. Turn it in your clean cup. Alright, don't bring her out. See how I didn't miss her. You mix it very well. So I'm preparing and put for a safe fridge now. In case you have cough, go and try it. And you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like. I love you guys. And share. Thank you. Encourage me. This is my bottle. As I turn on. See? I'll keep my inside fridge. In case. So I have the time I'll do. That is my cough medicine. It walk past those pharmacy cough medicine won't go they buy. If you will buy the cough medicine, go gather around here. But this one go flush everything. May you try it. May you come give me thumbs up. May you come write better comment.